Hello and welcome to your daily dose of Satoshi's news. Today's date is Friday the 19th of July 2024, the year of a million transactions per second or more. Experience the best of both worlds today at betbitcoinsv.com, the best casino and sports betting on chain. Have a little flutter in private using the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Right, let's see what we got in store for us today. So check this out. Microsoft Windows data blackout downs major financial firms, causes travel chaos. We've got a comment on that from Brian Doherty. Looking forward to reading that. We've also got the fact that CloudStrike is a member of the unelected World Economic Forum. Nothing suspicious about that. Got a little article that I've written here on Substack, along with another post I've made and uploaded Silverfish, which is awesome. Then we've got a little bit of Bitcoin history. There we go. And then we've got the charts as per usual. We'll go through them. Right, so let's get into it.
Satoshi, like a cowboy in the West, riding on the blockchain that they call the very best. 1 million strong and transactions flying free. Just wait for the Terra node, you'll surely see.
Here we go. Right, so let's read this article then. Microsoft Windows data blackout downs major financial firms, causes travel chaos. A global Microsoft Windows failure, possibly linked to a CrowdStrike software update, has disrupted critical services worldwide, causing widespread banking outages and grounding flights. The big tech giant Microsoft is facing a widespread outage of its Windows systems, which has subsequently disrupted various critical services across the globe, including emergency services, banks, airports, and broadcasters. The failure, which began on July 18th and continues into July 19th, appears to be linked to cybersecurity software from CrowdStrike. According to a Forbes report, it has left many institutions grappling with severe operational challenges. In a post on X on July 18th at 11:41 p.m. UTC, Microsoft 365 status posted that it was investigating an issue impacting users' ability to access various Microsoft 365 apps and services. So here's the post, and it says, we're investigating an issue impacting users' ability to access various Microsoft 365 apps and services. More info posted in the admin center under blah, 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 blah. In the latest update from Microsoft at 7:55 a.m. UTC, it said that the multiple services are continuing to see improvements in abilities as it continues to troubleshoot the problem. Banking sector hit hard. The banking sector has been one of the hardest hit by the Windows failure. Online banking services have been particularly affected, with customers worldwide reporting issues with logging in and performing transactions. Down Detector, a website that tracks service outages, has shown a substantial increase in reports of disrupted banking services. Oof. Look at that. Look at that. In the United Kingdom, attempts to log into two major banks were unsuccessful during the morning of July 19th. Customers found themselves unable to access their accounts, causing widespread frustration and anxiety. Similar issues have been reported in banks across the United States, Australia, and India, highlighting the global nature of the disruption. Along with financial sector disruptions, airports around the world have reported grounded flights, leading to significant travel disruptions. One ex-user from India posted a photo of a handwritten boarding pass he received and attributed to the outage. Good grief. In the US, emergency services computers have been affected, with reports of 9/11 systems being down in the state of Oregon. Meanwhile, in the UK, and Southern Railway posted on X that it was experiencing widespread IT issues across its entire network. I mean, this is the problem with centralized servers. You know, I mean, they can cause such disruption. We know it's all orchestrated, unfortunately. Meme coin surge as companies and services providers around the world scramble to restore normalcy. The full extent of the damage and the extent cause of this widespread Windows failure remains under investigation. Nonetheless, the crypto community has wasted no time in jumping on the opportunity to make something of the situation. Since the start of the incident, a flurry of new meme coins related to CrowdStrike, the alleged cause of the Microsoft outage, and Microsoft blue screen of death. Error screens have been issued on Ethereum and Solana networks. Oh my god, they'll buy anything. According to meme coin tracker site, meme is game, and the blue screen of death token currently has a market cap of 4,494, while the Ethereum-based Strike token has a market cap hovering around 5,400 via Dex Screener. Oh my god, what an absolute load of crap. Good grief. What's this? Terraformer Labs reopened Shuttle Bridge. DPIN for everyone. KMG to help US crypto firms uphold report standards. Oh god, honestly, who cares about that crap? But let's see what. So yeah, check this out. Look at this. Would you believe it? Partners. CrowdStrike is a partner at the World Economic Forum, and they happen to have major outage. I mean, it's ridiculous. It is absolutely ridiculous that one centralized company can wreak havoc globally. You know, it's insane. Oh, just looking at the top left of the screen there, you've got BSV going to now $47.01. Whew, all right. So let's read what Brian Doherty said here. So, disheartened by today's media coverage on CrowdStrike issue, which misses the point. The debate should center on prevention through blockchain solutions, not just security flaws. This costly outage, caused by a corrupt software patch, was preventable. Blockchain ensures updates are securely signed off and distributed from a single source, maintaining accountability and quality control. Blockchain technology offers a proactive approach to cybersecurity. By leveraging secure, immutable ledgers, we can prevent such incidents and enhance overall system resilience. It's time we shift the focus from reactive measures to proactive solutions. Very good. Blockchain's capabilities in secure updates and transparent processes can revolutionize how we handle cybersecurity. Let's embrace blockchain technology to build more robust and reliable systems, ensuring incidents like CrowdStrike outage becomes a thing of the past. Absolutely. That is absolutely what blockchain is all about and what it should be doing. Yeah, I mean, Brian, one of the, I'd say, top cybersecurity experts in the world, you know, again, in BSV, he knows what he's talking about. I think Kurt also did one. We'll just have a quick look at that. Here he is. There we go. He said, could Certihash have helped the CrowdStrike Falcon catastrophe happening on global Microsoft systems today? Absolutely. Absolutely. And just back onto Substack. So I literally just started this today. And I thought, I'll just make a quick post here. Seems to have gone all right. So I just wrote here, someone always wins big. There is very rarely ever a time when everyone loses, because most of the time someone always wins big. Where a possibility or opportunity exists that someone could win really big, there will always be the economic incentive to make it happen. These opportunities come about due to the existence of fiat currency operating within an economy. If someone has the ability to create something from nothing, they will always want to use it to asset strip or extract real value with it from someone else. The original Bitcoin protocol, that now has the ticker symbol BSV, has the ability to prevent this asset stripping within an economy, since it enables true value to be exchanged online through the commoditization of digital data. The banks should be using Bitcoin BSV to secure digital records of their customers' transactions and using Bitcoin to back the value of their customers' deposits. If this were to happen, the world would be at peace and not at war, since a rising tide lifts all boats. There we go, just couldn't resist that. And if we go to my profile here, there we go, you'll see that I've literally just uploaded Silverfish. Check it out. Check it out. The quality on here is actually really good. I'm really pleased with that. Couldn't find many sites that were willing to accept a 15 gigabyte upload. But Substack does up to 20 gigabytes. So I was just like, right, let's try it. Now it is there. So newsonchain.substack.com if you want to follow my profile there. Lovely jubbly. Right, let's get on to a little bit of 365 days of Bitcoin history, and check this out. On the 19th of July, here we go, I could find literally nothing. Even if you go onto Bitcoin Talk in the early days, like back to 2010, there was literally nothing on the 19th of July. We've got 18th of July, a post from Anonymous saying standards and protocols, and then another post here from Bytecoin on the 20th of July. So literally there was nothing there. I had to go to 2011 to find something. That was June. We're looking for July. Come on. July 12th. No, not that far. July 25th. July 18. Here we go, July 19. Let's see what we've got here. Because I saw somebody post something. Whoever has all those 0.05 BTC sell orders on Mt. Gox. People still waiting for their Mt. Gox account. Transferring bitcoins by sound. The 19th of July, Mt. Gox Euro transfer is temporarily frozen. Oof. Oh, that's what went on there. And there was a post. Oh, it's June 15th. We actually wanted. Yeah, hold on a minute. Let me just edit this. Oh, I can't be bothered. We'll go back to it, but there we go. Some Bitcoin talk things there. Right. Let's get into the figures. Check this out. It's just dropped again in the top left corner to 46.91. It's been sort of like slow and steady over this past week. It's going all right. But I'm guessing when we look at Tether, they will have been pumping the market. And then we'll have a look at Bitcoin against BTC. So current price $46. Hash rate, network knows yet. Transactions right down at 9.3. Block size though 55. Nothing to write home about there, but like 18 megabyte block. Usual figures, 113,000 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Coolcoin. But look, the profitability is still being carefully managed. It's 50% more profitable to mine on Coolcoin than Bitcoin. But again, that's a comparative loss. So if you were to potentially mine on BTC and get those BTC and flip it onto BSV, you could potentially make a profit. But if you were doing that on a large scale, like if you were TAL, you would cause an increase in the price of BSV. So this way, it's not really affecting the price. So you're effectively kind of like, it's not stealth mining, but it's stealth mining in comparison to the rest of the shitcoiners who have no idea what they're doing. So, all the BSVers are scooping up BSV and the rest of the market are completely oblivious to what's going on because they have no idea. They have no clue. Let's have a look at the politics then, because it's all in the mining charts. Global mining 7 days, global hash rate 24 hours. Got a new one on there. JB mining. Coolcoin hash rate, other miners with a 1.39. Bcrash, other miners with 40.2. eCash, who cares, what joke. And then we got Bitcoin. We'll have to check that. I'll cross-reference it with what's on. That's more like it. Tau with 55. Kuv with 21. QD Link 15.6. Gorilla Pool up to 7. They're doing well. Excellent. Look, the exchange is still cashing out even though the price of BTC was going up. Here we go, Tether weather. This is very telling. Oh, look, so it's just gone green above the $1 stable. So let's have a look at this. So it's gone from 113.6 billion to a high of 113.8. All right, so just 200 million gone in today, but there's quite a bit gone in over the week. 112.4 up to 113.7. So that's over $1 billion. that is over $1 billion. It's like a 1.5 billion. Jeepers. Jeepers. Yeah, 1.5 billion in a week. 1.5 billion in a week. Honestly, what an absolute joke. Oh, price in the top left gone to 47.05. Oh. Let's have a look at USDC. Oh, look at that. That's popped. That's just lost its dollar peg to the upside as well. Let's have a look at the market cap. Oh, that's going up as well. That'll be pumping the market too. 133.6, 133.7. So just 100 million gone in. Good grief. Good grief. The longs are stable. Very misguided there. I'm going to have to check these wallets. So now we've got 58,464,462. I'm sure they're... Yeah, I'll have to double check. Don't want to embarrass myself thinking there might be a different figure from the day before. Let's have a look at Bitcoin versus USD. I mean, we've had quite a rally this week. Yeah, look, 47 as being reported by Preve there. I mean, that's done real well. Good grief. From a low of 32. Maybe even more. No, yeah. All right, so that was a low. Yeah, a low of just below 32. Good grief. And now we're at 47. 47. Almost 50. Crikey, that's more than a 20% gain in a week. That would have been alright, wouldn't it? Good grief. Let's have a look at Bitcoin versus BTC. My goodness me, look at that. So a BSV was rocketing up and then it's come back down and that's why they were pumping Tether. Look at that. Look at that. BSV breaking out. And then I bet they started pumping Tether and buying BTC with it to bring it back down in line. But look at that. BSV was on an absolute tear. An absolute tear. Good grief, yeah. That's something they were like, oh shit, let's start printing Tether. That's why it went up. That's why it went uptick to the green. Look at that. They were like, oh shit, we can't be having that. Look at that. That is amazing to look at. Wow. Look at that. Tether straight into the market. Bring it right back down. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say on that one. Let's just cross-reference that with Orange Gateway. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, up and straight down. Look at that. That's really quite interesting. BSV USD. Oh, yeah, just trotting along nicely there. My goodness me, I think the BTC crowd would be a bit jealous if they were missing out on 20% gains in a week. Whew. Jeepers. Right, let's have a look at look at that. So the total market cap of 2.4 trillion. Market 24-hour trade volume 2.2, market cap 1.3 trillion. Good grief. You see how the bids and the asks are relatively similar here? That's what they should be, but they don't look like that when you look at BSV. Yeah, that's what the chart kind of like should be like. So we'll have a look at genuine Bitcoin now, see what they're doing to it. All this jiggery pokey nonsense. There it is. Come on, you bad boy. Look at that. So price going up, but look at that. Look, bids. They're saying there's only 807,000 compared to 4.6 million asks. This is such a load of crap. This is utter crap. I don't believe what I'm seeing here at all. Look, that graph that we're looking at there, right here, is meant to be literally real time trading right now, and the price is literally on the uptick, and yet you've got all these reds coming in. Look, oh, gutted. gutted that live coin watchers lowered themselves. It means they're part of the cabal, unfortunately. Let's have a look at the leaderboard on a little bit. Come on. Oh, we've got a new leader here at the moment in the current week. EPZ Pots, best bet $98 with a return on investment of 74%. Check it out. Well done them. Well done them. Right, there we go. We'll leave it there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the show. And as ever, if you enjoy these updates, please ding your donations for your appreciation to Satoshi at Sembi.com, Handcash.io, Simply.cash, Relasia.com, RockWallet.me, or Senti.ch. Hope you enjoyed it. And as ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.